Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing your work properly. Students, today we will continue our chapter 3 plant kingdom or kingdom planting. In this chapter, we will start with our division Thallophyta. Division Thallophyta. Our division is Thallophyta. Students, what is the meaning of Thallophyta? Thallophyta means thallus-like structure. Thallus-like structure in which no root, no shoot is present, even not leaves are there. In the division Thallophyta, students, we will discuss about the algae. We will discuss about the algae. Firstly, I will tell you the general characteristics of the algae. The general characteristics of algae are algae commonly bearing chlorophyll. Commonly bearing chlorophyll. Second, thalloid-like structure. Third is aquatic. Third is aquatic. Students, algae may be marine or may be freshwater. And autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic means they prepare their own food. Because they have chlorophyll, so obviously it is understood that they prepare their own food. Second character is about reproduction. Second character is about reproduction. Reproduction, students, by sexual method as well as by asexual method. Asexual reproduction occurs by the formation of zoospores and aplanospores. Zoospores and aplanospores. I hope you understand the meaning of zoospores and aplanospores. Zoospores are the spores that are motile and aplanospores are the spores that are non-motile. And sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction occurs by the formation of gametes. Gametes may be isogametes. Gametes may be isogametes. Isogametes are those gametes that are morphologically similar to each other. And anisogametes. And anisogametes, in which two types of gametes are produced, male and female, that are morphologically different from each other. Students, isogamous reproduction occurs in Chlamydomonas. It occurs in Chlamydomonas. And anisogamous occurs in Volvox. Anisogamous reproduction or isogametes formed in Volvox. Next, students, we can classify algae into different types on the basis of the type of pigments it has. Classification. On the basis of type of pigments. On the basis of types of pigments. Types of pigments. First is chlorophyce. First is chlorophyce. And students, what about chlorophyce? Chlorophyce, the members of chlorophyce are commonly called green algae. Why green algae? Because it contains chlorophyll A in a predominant form. It also contains chlorophyll B, but chlorophyll B is less than chlorophyll A. It also contains xanthophylls. It also contains xanthophylls. fills. हाँ जी, next, the plant body appears green grass due to the predominance of chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll B is also present, xanthophyll is also present, and some of the species having carotene. And what are the pigments, students? These pigments are located in the chloroplast, and that chloroplast may be cup shaped or a ribbon shaped or a plate like. Next, students, chloroplast are also possesses perinoids and store as a food in the form of starch and proteins, and it may also store food in the form of oil droplets. Next, it has a cell wall. It has a cell wall, and that cell wall is rigid. Rigid means hard, due to the presence of cellulose. Due to the presence of cellulose, cell wall is rigid. Next, students, how this chlorophyce reproduces. It reproduces by vegetative propagation as well as by asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Firstly, by vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation occurs in algae by the process of fragmentation. Fragmentation. Fragmentation, we can give the example here, Spirogyra. Spirogyra. When Spirogyra attains mature body, or it grows in full length, after that it may divide into fragments, and each fragment give rise to a new Spirogyra. Next, same students, asexual method occurs by the process of formation of zoospores. Only zoospores, not aplanospores. Only zoospores, and these zoospores are formed in the zoosporangia. Next is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction occurs by the formation of gametes. Gametes is of two types, isogametes and anisogametes. Formation of gametes, isogametes or anisogametes. Two types of gametes are formed. Now, overall the examples of chlorophyce are Spirogyra, Ulothrix, Volvax, Chara, Chlamydomonas, and etc. These are the examples of the division chlorophyce that belongs to algae. Next division is Phaeophyce. Phaeophyce. Students, this is commonly known as the brown algae. Now, what are the characteristics of brown algae? The brown algae mostly found in warm seas and oceans. It is mostly found in warm seas and oceans. The plant body is attached to the substratum. Warm seas and oceans. The plant body is attached to the substratum. It is attached to the substratum, not free living. Attached to substratum. And what is substratum? Substratum is any material for which an organism used for holding. It may be rock, it may be plant, it may be the surface. Next, it also possesses pigments, and the pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotene and xanthophyll ठीक है जी. Due to the presence of these types of pigments, the color of the thallus varies from olive green to various shades of brown. It may be dark brown, it may be light brown. Next is food is stored in the form of laminaria or mannitol. Laminaria or mannitol. This is important. Hanji, vegetative and cell wall. It also has cell wall. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall made up of cellulose. Now reproduction. Reproduction occurs by fragmentation, means vegetative propagation by fragmentation. Next, sexual reproduction, same isogamous or anisogamous, and asexual reproduction, same by the formation of zoospores. And the examples of these species are, we can write the examples of Dictyota, Fucus and Sargassum These are the examples of Phaeophyceae or brown green algae. Next is our division Rhodophyceae. 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 Students, why it is known as Rhodophyceae? Due to the red color. It is also known as the red algae. Hanji, habitat. Mostly marine occur both in shallow water as well as in depth. Shallow water ऊपर भी मिलती है सरफेस पे और नीचे भी मिलती है वाटर की. ओशियन, सपोज अगर ओशियन है, ओशियंस आर मेरीन, इट फॉर्म्ड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द ओशियन एज वेल एज अंडर द डेप्थ एट द बेस also. The red color, why it has red color? Red color is due to the presence of pigment known as phycoerythrin. पिगमेंट कौन सा है यहाँ पे? फाइकोएरिथ्रिन, PHYCO, फाइको ERYTHRIN. This is important due to the presence of pigment phycoerythrin, and other pigments are also present, for example chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D, but dominating is phycoerythrin. That's why it is known as red algae. The reserve food material is in the form of fluoridine starch. It is also, this fluoridine starch is almost similar to the glycogen. Fluoridine starch is similar to the glycogen, or we can say it is glycogen. Next, students, reproduction. Reproduction is same. Vegetative propagation by the method of fragmentation and asexual method. Here asexual method is little bit different. Asexual method occurs by the formation of aplanospores, not by zoospores. Aplanospores are those spores that do not move from one place to another, means non-motile spores. And sexual reproduction occurs the same in all the three divisions by oogamous, anisogamous and isogamous. ठीक है जी. Now what are the examples of rhodophycy? The examples of rhodophycy are Gelidium and Polysiphonia or Porphyra. These are the examples of the rhodophycy. Students, these are the different classes of division. Thallophyta means algae. In these characters, in this division, you have to learn about these characters, about their habitat, about their presence of pigment, about the presence of stored food, and you must know about their reproduction with 2 or 3 examples. Sometimes the question may come, what is the difference between red and brown algae? Then if you remember about the characters, then you are able to write the difference between the characters of red and brown algae, green and red, green and brown. Understand? Or 1 or 2 MCQs like questions are come in the form of why red algae is known as red. Answer is due to the presence of phycoerythrin. और ग्रीन एल्गी ग्रीन क्यों होती है? ड्यू टू द प्रीडोमिनेटिंग क्लोरोफिल ए. एंड वाई ब्राउन एल्गी? ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ए, सी, कैरोटीन एंड xanthophyll. और वी कैन से due to the presence of fucoxanthin. We can also write that their fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin is a pigment of xanthophyll. Fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin. It is brown in color. In the next session, we will switch over to the division Bryophyta. First division is Thallophyta. Second division is Bryophyta. These divisions are of plant kingdom or kingdom Plantae. Thank you and have a nice day.